Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change a site name and URL on SharePoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, changing the SharePoint site name and URL can be necessary due to organizational restructuring, branding updates, or simply to better reflect the purpose of the site. And obviously, here's how you can change the site name and URL in the SharePoint Online. Now, I need you to navigate to the site settings. It's in the upper right corner, the cog icon gear here, and click on the site information. But make sure you have necessary privileges and administrative rights before you can do that. And if you click on the site permissions, right, this is going to be make sure that you are part of this. Now, site owners have full control, site members have limited control, site visitors no control, and site sharing, you can change how members can share. In guest expiration, your organization does not require guest access to expire. Make sure if you want to advance permissions, just do so. Make sure again that you have necessary privileges and authorization. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to change the SharePoint site and URL. After making sure you have all the privileges, go back to the site information, and this is how you change the site name. All right, and it's up to you. If you wanted to change it, you can cite a description. And from here, the privacy settings, it's very easy. And it's all the members can access this one, standard team. And you can also delete the site. We have a separate video on how to delete the site. You might want to check that out on our channel. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on save. I'm going to skip that for now. All right. Now, on this SharePoint admin, now, before you can edit the URL, make sure you already publish the page site. All right. And this will check in your changes, allow others to edit, and make the page visible to everyone who can access your site. All right. So there's no point here if you can't, if you haven't published the site yet. But now I'm not going to be able to do that because I don't have the administrative privileges. But if you do, just click on publish and you would be able to change the URL back and forth without any problem. Now, changing the URL of a SharePoint site is more involved and may require planning and consideration of potential impacts on existing links, navigation, and user access. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.